Hello, hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome on screen again. Well, it feels good to see on screen, especially at this time, as we've just uploaded a new video in this channel. Thank you, fella, for being here, and thank you for being considerate to Rita Finance YouTube channel. And with that said, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you in Rita Finance YouTube channel. And if you're new to this channel, warmly welcome. Subscribe to it. And if you're a regular viewer and you are yet to be a subscriber, please feel free to do so. Consider to be one of our subscribers by subscribing in this channel. Share this video with your friends, loved ones, workmates, schoolmates, relatives, or with anyone who you think is going to benefit from the teachings that have been provided in this channel. Don't forget to like this video as well. And click the notification bell so that you can be notified once we upload a new video in this channel. My name is Rita JL and warmly welcome in today's episode. So in today's episode, it's all about finances and still we're in the banking industry. And remember, I promised you that we are going to have a part 2 of joint accounts. And in today's video, we are going to learn the value or the benefits of a joint bank account. Without further ado, let us go the details of the story. So using a joint bank account can offer several advantages to individuals and families who are working together towards a certain financial goal. So here are the tips or are the potential benefits of having a joint bank account. Number one, it's easy to share expenses. So one of the biggest advantages of joint accounts is the ease of handling of shared expenses. Whether you are splitting the rent, the utility, the groceries, or other household costs, having a shared bank account ensures both parties can transfer now money and contribute towards these expenses. This eliminates the needs of having constant money exchanges. So now you will be having a pool of money, a pool of money where now you are going to have, you pull out together resources in a certain pool, the certain account. You'll have a pool of resources full of money for settling these bills of household bills which you are having together, you as partners or you as friends or you as family members. Benefit number 2, you are going to save towards a shared financial goal. So whether you have to save for a big purchase such as a home or a vacation, or you are working towards a smaller goals like an emergency fund, a joint account helps you to save it all together. So with these funds together, you and your co-owner can set saving targets and can work together towards reaching them. These shared approaches of saving can make it easier to achieve your goals faster. So you'll be having targets to save a certain amount of money in this joint account, you together with your co-owner. So it provides you a quicker way to save a certain amount of money or to raise a certain amount of money towards now having a big purchase like a home or going for vacation. The third benefit of you having a joint bank account is efficient money management for families. So for parents managing household finances, a joint bank account can help their children to have value or to have responsible spending. By giving teenagers limited access to a shared account, parents can guide, you as a parent now can guide a basic budgeting while you are monitoring their spending habits. This is a great way for you to introduce children to responsibilities of handling debit card and managing the account balance. Now, if you share this bank account together with a teen, you'll be monitoring the teen on how now to use the debit card and how now to manage the account balance. So having this all together can help your family to have efficient money management between you as the parent and the teen. Another advantage of this or benefits of the joint bank account is to streamline budgeting. So since both co-owners can see this transaction through the online banking platform of the bank, it might be easier for both of you to see the clear picture of the account balances and plan your budgeting accordingly. So both of you, the co-owners now, can have access to this joint account. As couples or as co-owners, you can work together towards a long-term money management strategies and stay on the same page, because now you both of you owners can now have access to this joint account. And as I said in the previous video, you can have a full profile to access these accounts via your online banking platform. So now you can see whether your money strategies are now moving ahead or now you have delayed, or who has deposited this amount of money and who has not deposited as per agreement. So you can streamline your budgeting process by viewing the joint account via the online banking platform. So joint accounts is a very good tool for you now to access this pool of resources which you are raising up together towards a certain financial goal. The last benefits of having this bank account is flexibility of the accounts to access banking services. So all the accounts owners can access a joint account of their own, meaning they can use services like withdrawals, they can write a check, and they can even deposit and go to online banking platform if it's needed. So this flexibility allows these all owners now to manage their accounts accordingly and raise their needs without having approval from another third party. All these two, the two of them will be working together without a need of any other to interrupt their transaction. So additionally, multiple debit cards can be issued for the same account, but this you have to check with your bank if your bank allows to issue multiple debit cards in the same joint account. And if it's offered this, if it's provide this service, it's can make it easier for the both parties now to pay for the expenses directly and share the balance. So thank you fella for listening to this video, and I'm glad that you have learned benefits of you having a joint bank account, you as co-owners and you as couples. Thank you very much for keeping it locked and listening to the end of this video. And don't forget, my friend, go to Amazon, get your copy of Rita's personal finance book via the link in the description part here below. My name is Rita JL, and until next time, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to keep it locked with the Rita series. Until next time, bye.